Hi everyone, it's Don Anton. Today I am going to discuss with you a modal verb. Can you guess the modal verb? Yes, the modal verb is can. So we use can to express our abilities. To express our abilities, we use can. Now let's try to construct a sentence by using this structure. So here, first we are going to use the subject or the person who does the action. Then we are going to use the modal verb can, verb, our main verb, then the object. Let's try to make some sentences. I can win the game. She can make a change. We can develop our country. John can speak English. So here we can change this pronoun into he or she or we or you, or even into nouns like Kamal or Nimal or the teacher. We can change. So then he can win the game. They can make a change. I can develop our country. She can speak English, or you can speak English. What about these sentences? Are those correct? So just keep in your mind, when we use the modal verb can, we can't use the verb in ing form. So then it should be he can swim, and he can swim. This sentence also incorrect because we can't use a helping verb with can. So then it should be he can swim. He can swims also wrong. It should be he can swim. Now it's your turn to make some sentences and share on the comments. I hope to bring you another function of can soon. Tata for now.